everyone, today here on Beaded works on the happy birthday pins. Let's get into them. Okay, so here we have our silicone beads. Oh, happy birthday. We have some big balloons, smaller balloons, colors, all silicone. And these are our pins. These are pin blanks. Come like this. The tops twist off. Add what you want. The whole thing actually comes apart. Like so. Pins are refillable. Pull these out. You can refill the cartridges and all my pins twist to open. And I always like to test them out. So that's my starting process. Anyhow, let's get into the tutorial here. These are also available on my website, and so this is an actual made to order. It's ready to go. So we're going to start with our green here, and we're going to use our big balloon. And a yellow. And these are going to have happy birthday. You kind of squeeze them down just a little bit, get you some room there. And twist down the top. Make sure it's snug. I like to make sure everything's snug. I'm very particular about having everything lined up just right. And there's the first. Twist. Just set that there. Go ahead and continue to make the other two. Here. All three. I want to say thank you to everyone for watching today's tutorial. Go ahead and package these up. Thank you from Beadworks.